guys! Today I'm doing a what's in my toiletry bag video. I'm gonna go through skincare, makeup, hair products, and stuff that I use for beauty. And I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I have is my brush. It's actually a pretty cheap brush from Normal, but I like the ones that have like spikes and not the ones that are like more like brushy, and it works really well for my hair. And then to be able to get out my tangles from my highlighted hair, I use this Total Repair, which is like a leave-in conditioner that you just like spray all over your hair after you've showered, and it's for dried and damaged hair. And since I've highlighted my hair, I see that's kind of damaged, even though I do have something else I'm going to show you that does help my hair after all the highlights. And then the next thing I have is ponytails. Hair ties. I usually use the neutral colors, and that's why I have like brown, beige, and black. Next thing I have is just these razors. Yeah, I use them like whenever I need to. And then it comes down to my skincare. Next is my skincare. So for skincare, I use this cleanser. It's the 1025 cleanser. I'm not sure what brand this is. It's a Korean brand. It's a hydrating cleanser, and it's working really well for me because I used to use one from La Roche-Posay and it was way too harsh on my skin, and then I finally figured that out and I changed to this one. I really like it. Next I have a Rise toner. I use the Rise toner like every single day for hydration. It's also Korean. And then I use the Centella Intensive Ampoule. It's really hydrating as well, and I use it every single day. And then I recently figured out that since I live in a really cold country, especially during winter, my cream was too thick and it broke me out, even though it kind of kept me hydrated. So I asked ChatGPT what product I could also use like around my eyes, because it really didn't work as hydration under my eyes. And so I tried this. It's a really small bottle, and it's the Tolerion Sensitive Cream from La Roche-Posay, and it's working really well for hydration all over my face and also around your eyes. So if you are someone who gets really dry around your eyes in the winter and you only need one cream for your face and your eyes, this one works really well. And then I use, you probably know of this Korean sunscreen, but it works really well, so I use it every day. It's SPF 50. I've tried so many sunscreens. I literally get sunburned like almost, if I use any other sunscreen than this one, I get sunburned. I've figured out. So I've just realized that this one works, and those ones that I've tried, they don't really work that well for my skin type. So, and then I have used retinol lash for so long for eyelash growth, and it used to work, but then it stopped working because I used it for so long, and it gave me really hollow under eyes. So I found one without prostaglandins or whatever it's called, and that's the ordinary one. I've been using that for like about a month now, and I definitely can see the difference. I can attach pictures here, but my eyelashes have definitely grown. I do think this is a good eyelash serum. It just takes longer, and it's not as like wow, your eyelashes have grown as a lot of other ones. It's just very like minimal, and but you see the growth. It's just not that crazy, that's all. And also it doesn't have the side effects as the one with Prostaglandin. And then the next one is this serum that I have been trying for a while now. It's also from The Ordinary. I used to not use a lot of things from The Ordinary, but these two products, I kind of just asked ChatGPT, and it has been working for my dry scalp. I feel like, I don't know if it has been helping on like my hair thickness really, but my scalp is not dry anymore because of this, and so it definitely has been hydrating my scalp, which is really nice. And it might have also like made my hair growing more, but I don't really know if that is true or not. And then the next one is this. I recently bought this actually. It's an eye retinol for around your eyes. Just I've been using this one from Beauty of Joseon for a really long time, and I don't know if it just stopped working, but I just felt like I wasn't really seeing results anymore, and that might also have like giving me my under eye. But this one is the one I've been trying now recently. It's not giving me any like bad side effects or anything, so I'm thinking it's working, but I don't know because it's pretty new, and I use it like every third day or something. And then whenever I have pimples, I actually have this for, you have to get it prescribed, but it's for acne specifically, and I've been using it for a long time. I don't know where you can get it prescribed in like what countries, but I got it from when I lived in London. Yeah, but it's been working really, really well. And then I have the next thing. I thought this was going to be like a toiletry bag thing, but I realized everything in my toiletry bag, everything is skincare. So the next thing is this Ordinary Again retinol serum, because apparently this is the strongest retinol you can get that is not prescribed. I'm using it for like anti-aging and skin texture, and I'm using it every second day. I have been using tretinoin before, and I'm trying to get a hold of it again, but for now I'm just using this, and it's been working fine. The last thing I have is just a couple of hair clips that I use like when I want to look cute, like when I want my hair up like a little bit, or like do something easy to my hair and don't want like hair on my face. So yeah, these are basically my skincare products. I didn't know this was going to turn into what's in my skincare bag, but I guess that's what it turned into be. And I hope you liked the video anyway. Bye!